Hello, so today's tapping video is brought to you from the garden. It's a little bit of wind out here, but it's lovely and sunny, and this is one thing I'm really enjoying at the moment, the sun, the lovely weather, and that's one thing that I'm really grateful for. Have you noticed how much clearer the air is as well at the moment? But today's tapping video is focusing on feelings of negativity. I think what happens in times like this, we just get into a spiral of negative thinking, and it kind of, we get out of control with it all. So I want to focus on how that is affecting you and how you can just let that negative thinking go, even just for a moment, just for 5 minutes. And that's what this video is going to help with. So get into where that negative thinking feels in the body. Maybe it's the head, maybe it's the stomach or the chest, where you can feel that real kind of churning up of anxiety, and really get into how that feels. And maybe give that negative thinking, whatever it is you're thinking about, whether it's a situation, a feeling, whatever it is, just give that a number on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 being really, really strong, where you literally can't cope, and 0 being no feeling at all. Just give that a number, and I want you to start tapping for me. This is going to help you feel a little bit more calmer, in control. Okay, so I've got all these negative feelings, and I simply can't escape these feelings of negativity. And I'm really, really struggling with it now. It's feeling really, really difficult. But I want to be open to letting those feelings go today. Instead, I want to feel more calm and relaxed. And I choose to be open to letting go. All these feelings of negativity. Maybe I just can't do anything about it at the moment. Maybe I can just choose to let go. Instead, I feel more calm and relaxed. Just being open to letting go, even if it's just for a moment. And I choose to accept me now anyway. Choosing to accept this situation outside of me. And it's outside of my control. So I'm just being open to letting these negative feelings go. And just noticing where those negative thoughts are, noticing how they feel and where they are in my body, and just letting those negative thoughts unwind now. Letting that clenching feeling go. And I choose to be open to accepting this situation now, even if it's just for a few moments while I tap through this video. So I can feel all these negative thoughts. I can feel them whirling round in my head. Just letting them go now. Just releasing some of these negative thoughts. But they just feel really, really strong. And they've been around for a long time. And this situation is just making them stronger. I'm struggling to sleep at night, waking up with these negative thoughts. I'm just going to see if I can be open to letting them go. Just being open to release them. What if I could just feel a little bit lighter? What if I could feel lighter for the moment? Just being open to letting some of these thoughts go. What if I could just feel a little bit more positive? Feelings of hope. Instead, I've been feeling all these feelings of helplessness. What if I could choose to feel more hopeful? That actually feels really good. Just to be able to let them go. Even if it's just for a moment. Instead, I choose to feel lighter and lighter. Choosing to feel more relaxed and calm. Just being open to let that go. Feeling in a more relaxed space now. Feeling good about myself. Feeling more positive and relaxed. Feeling in a calmer space. Just being open to letting go for a few moments. Just feeling lighter and lighter. Noticing how I feel now. Just being open to letting go. That's great. Just take a nice deep breath in for me. And breathe out. That's good. And just check in now. Maybe close your eyes for a moment. Just check in with that number. You're still at the same number. Hopefully you've gone down. I want you to repeat this tapping sequence now until you get that right down to a 1 or a 2, something like that. Even a 0 would be great. and just check in. Let me know how you've done in the comments. It'd be great to know how you do. And if you do need any more support or anything like that, I can of course help you. Just drop me a message. You do take care, and I'll see you very soon on the next video.